I am introducing my book called Food for Thought. You can get a preview of the book, same as with Amazon, by clicking on the link to the book. Now, without further ado, let us jump straight into the description with the highlighted topics in the book. Do our bodies age by design? Did you know that we do not need to just accept aging as part of life? In the book, Food for Thought by Lucille, and Daniel Wentworth, we set out to explain that we can combat the aging in our bodies by choosing salubrious, health-giving food to eat and avoiding the harmful foods that make us ill and do us a great deal of harm. If you would like to learn more about the anti-aging benefits of eating the recommended foods in the book Food for Thought, which lays out the possible remedies to the most common ailments and niggles that affect us all as we become older, sit back with a cup of tea or coffee and keep viewing. The book comes in the form of an ebook and an audiobook, which is available exclusively on the Sqribble platform at a very affordable price. It is aimed at people who are experiencing the effects of aging in their bodies, people who are in their 40s and above, and those who want to learn how to combat the onslaught of the effects of oxidization in our bodies from the environment in which we live. So, get comfortable, relax, and keep watching. We are preconditioned from a young age to believe that we should accept the fact that we cannot do anything to stay young and feel healthy, but look around, more people seem to look and act eternally young, while others look well beyond their years. Many people accept aging as part of the human experience. Youthful characteristics such as mental and physical strength, flexibility, and independence takes effort because of living a sedentary lifestyle. Our forefathers, who lived closer to the soil, used to revere, honor, and celebrate each life stage. There is nothing to stop us from fighting off the negative effects of eating unhealthy, overprocessed, and harmful foods that accelerate aging in our bodies. We just need to do daily mental and physical exercise and eat health-giving foods with antioxidizing health-giving benefits. What are the contributing factors of aging? Our body parts get worn from daily use, which can cause pain. Degradation of the neuroendocrine system, the interaction between the nervous system and the endocrine system. We're out of the neurological and hormonal systems. Open our bodies up to disease. Inflammation, toxin, and parasite buildup. More. What are the effects of aging? Our skin, hair, and nails change. How body parts or organs malfunction. We experience loss of mobility with either niggles or outright pain. Arteries, veins, and cells get clogged, resulting in toxic buildup. We become slower to react. Healing, which was taken for granted, now takes longer. Poor health has a devastating effect on mood and emotion. Chronic disease is a life spoiler. Can you see why we need to combat the effects of aging? So, you see, it depends on the person, if he or she maintains their health and body to last them through their golden years. Why would you suffer if you do not need to? In the book, you will find out what you can control and focus on, which can benefit you. A cultural habit, an eating habit, or any bad habit can result in disease. To be or stay healthy, we must understand that if we focus on our wellness, beauty, and good looks will become inevitable. You will learn about the key three-pillar approach to anti-aging. IFAS, or essential fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, plants, and herbs. Did you know that kidneys have a structural relationship with the adrenal glands? What about the all-important gastrointestinal tract? This tiny cosmos is inhabited by thousands on thousands of microorganisms, which together make up our gut microbiome. Why do we rely on it for our holistic health? Did you know about biofilm and the dangers that lurk in it? Instantly find the most effective, safe treatment to break it down and rid your body of biofilm so that it cannot invade your cells. Learn to combat small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SLBO, which causes issues such as low stomach acid and bloating, among many more negative effects of which heartburn is most prominent. The body has the ability to remove some toxins, but when we are exposed to external factors beyond our control and our toxic load gets too high, our body needs help. Learn how to maintain electrolyte balance. Soul recipe. How to make SOLB water tonic. Selenium is an essential mineral, only needed in small amounts, yet it plays a major role in important processes in our body, including our metabolism and thyroid function. DMSO converts to MSM when it hits the bloodstream. Taking MSM may be equivalent to using DMSO, but without the side effects, of course, and the problems that come with, in actual fact, utilizing an industrial-grade solvent. So, what is MSM and how do we benefit from its use? Organic sulfurs is a food-grade form of sulfur that is absolutely necessary for proper health. MSM sulfur works in the body by supporting the connective tissues of tendons, muscles, and ligaments. Get a copy of the eBook to find out much more. Learn what is the master antioxidant to protect cell mitochondria by eliminating free radicals. Learn what is the most possible remedy for treating osteoarthritis and is an aid for building muscles, hormone and enzyme metabolism, immune function, and for improving thinking skills and muscle coordination. Want to know about the root cause protocol and our Life Energy ATP, adenosine triphosphate, for living cell energy, and ADP, also known as adenosine pyrophosphate, or EP, essential to the flow of energy in living cells? You will find out how stress impacts the body and what you can do about it, including recipes, because stress response requires three important chemicals, all messengers of the oxygen status of the body. Did you know a deficiency of magnesium as we age can result in calcification in the kidneys, bladder, and joints? Would you like to get an effective, health-giving mag water recipe method and dosage which you can make at home? Want to learn how to increase your bioavailable copper? The body is designed to survive, despite our lifestyle choices, and the unconscious harm we cause to it over time. Healing reactions are temporary symptoms that occur only on deep healing regimens in which the body retraces or goes back and heals old infections, wounds, injuries, or other imbalances from the past. But our body needs help. To combat the effects of aging, we need a lifestyle change approach toward longevity and quality of life. If you love food, stay active. Read the nutrient-dense food guide to consider adding to your diet. Digestion starts in the mouth. The oral cavity has sometimes been described as a mirror that reflects the health of the individual. Cellulitis can be painful, hot to the touch, swell and turn red and blistery. Want to see the solutions? It is all there in the eBook and audiobook, Food for Thought, Anti-Aging the Essentials. Cholesterol is not all bad. Learn about high-density lipoprotein, HDL, Bee's low-density lipoprotein, 500, and its effects on the body. We require cholesterol as the main building block to make all of our hormones. Did you know that when cholesterol is down, so is our libido? Furthermore, cholesterol coats every cell in the body with a fatty membrane. This is especially important for brain cells. We all know it does. But why does skin age? Want age spot and jowl solutions. Learn about collagen, elastin, and how to cope with acne and wrinkles. Want to keep hair, skin, and nails healthy? What about optical health affecting your eyesight? What about auditory health and your ears? What about loss of muscle mass and a catabolic state? Use it or lose it. Use your muscles or loose them. Understanding glycogen. The amount of glycogen stored in the liver, muscles, and fat cells can vary depending on how active we are. Find out what deficiency causes sugar cravings, why we need insomnia busting. Getting enough sleep is really important in the prevention of disease and to defy aging. To learn about the importance of the vagus nerve and boosting stem cells. Do men and women age differently? What are you eating or what is eating you? Conclusion. Avoid thinking that we will have to live with a disease simply because others in our family have it. Does age bring wisdom? Experience and self-reflection do not always result in people becoming wiser. Wisdom and knowledge, hard-earned from work and facing up to the stress and pressure of life, sadly, most of this knowledge and wisdom tends to be overlooked by society. Depression and suicide also rear up with age. It appears that the numbers are expected to increase as the baby boomer generation gets older. So, there you have it. I think you can agree that this ebook and audiobook contains a vast amount of essential information to help you combat the negative effects of aging in our bodies. Scan the QR codes to preview the EBS and audiobook on Sqribble and take advantage of the limited special price for a magnificent book with a wealth of essential, life-enhancing information. May you enjoy a life of abundant health and well-being.